Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so you have basically two options to hide rows in a Google spreadsheet. So the first one is the most straightforward one, and it is to use the hide feature in Google Sheets. So all you have to do is open up the sheet you want to hide rows in. So let's say we have this project management sheet and we want to hide columns between the title of this sheet and the project management table we have here. So all we have to do is select the rows we want to hide. So as you can see, all I'm doing is pressing down Shift, and then I can select multiple rows and then right click on the selected rows, and you're gonna see hide rows 2 to 7. And if we click on that, as you can see, those rows have been hidden. We can unhide the rows really easily if we want to see the rows again by clicking on this icon here. So as you can see, it will unhide the rows like so. The second option you have is to select the rows again, and you can also group the rows, which is also a way to hide rows. So if you right click on the rows, select view more row actions, you're gonna see group rows 4 to 6. And as you can see, this group feature has been inserted here, and we can use this group button or icon here to hide the rows we do not want to see, but we can ungroup them whenever we want. So all in all, this is how you can hide rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.